In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete search history on Apple Maps. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Apple Maps app and then just hit where it says Search Maps. It will show you your recent searches right here, just under the search bar. And then if you want to delete one single search, you can just swipe to the left on it to show up delete option, and then just hit on that to delete one particular search request. If you want to see more your searches, you can tap add more, and that will show you your recent searches and your older searches, and from here you can simply clear any of that searches in the same way, or you can tap add clear to clear all of them, just like that. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.